It's the biggest game changer for Jamaica so far. Elaine Thompson pulling out of the World Championships. Again, this athlete and her camp have left Jamaica with more questions than answers. Her coach, Stephen Francis, says Elaine was not fully fit going into the championships, but he was hopeful that she would medal. But neither Jamaica nor the world heard of any injury or mishap with Elaine Thompson between her scorching form at the national championships and now. Elaine herself, speaking after the 100, said nothing about discomfort, pain, or injury. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, also speaking after the 100 meters, said Shelly, was looking for Elaine to be right there with her, implying no knowledge of anything being wrong with her training partner. Another thing that is not adding up is that for the second successive World Championship, after disappointing performances from Elaine Thompson, here comes this Achilles argument. But question again, if Elaine has this recurring Achilles issue that is bothering her, how and why she doubled so spectacularly at the national championships and was in the process of doubling again at the World Championships? Something is not adding up with this Elaine Thompson story. It not add up. Remember shouldn't say not add up. Sit down. It's like, sit down. It not add up. It anything which it not add up. I'm not getting the right answer. It not add up. It still not add up. Anything.